Welcome guys, today I am with Sony WI-C200 wireless earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your iPhone. So at the first you have to remember to charge these earphones at least to the 50% before the pairing, and right here you'll find the USB input for the cable. And another step, it's very simple, we have to focus on this part with the buttons. Let me just catch focus. So as you can see, right here we got the power button and indicator. At the first you have to completely shut down your earphones and then click and hold this power button until this indicator starts blinking quickly on the blue, and also on the earphones you will hear the notification that the pairing mode is activated. So click and hold and keep holding. Right now you can release. As you can see, the indicator is blinking quickly. It means that these earphones are visible for other devices. So right now on our iPhone we have to simply open the settings, we have to open the Bluetooth. Next we have to tap on this switcher to activate Bluetooth on our smartphone, and then from other devices list we have to select our WI-C200 wireless earphones. As you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So that's how you can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.